Your seatbelt looks harmless, but during a crash, it turns into a superhero in less than 0.05 seconds. When a car suddenly stops, your body doesn't. Thanks to Newton's first law of motion, your body basically screams, "I'm still going!" Inside the seatbelt is a hidden locking mechanism. The instant it senses sudden braking, tiny gears jam the reel, so the belt can't extend anymore. But modern cars get crazier. Pretensioners fire instantly, pulling the belt tight before you slam forward. That force gets spread across your chest, shoulder, and hips, your body's strongest impact zones. Some seatbelts even loosen slightly after tightening, so your ribs don't get crushed by the belt itself. So, yeah, your seatbelt looks like a simple strap, but in a crash, it becomes a mechanical bodyguard saving your life in milliseconds.